going on here?
Mommy! Take a look. Take a good look, Mommy.
Oh.
Your daughter is off the market.
My God. This is good news.
Sure.
Justin.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, my queen.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I must commend.
It is, Mom.
Young man,
Yes, ma'am.
you've got taste for class and fashion.
She deserves everything good.
So long my daughter has accepted you,
Yes.
I don't have a problem with that.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
You know, my daughter is a princess.
Right.
So you need to be quick with the preparation of marriage.
That's fine, ma'am.
Once the last ofala of my late husband, the Welchendo, is performed,
Right.
both of you will be crowned.
Absolutely.
Emenwangwa. Emeralodachi.
That's right.
Is that not so?
That's right.
Oh, this gospel celebration. Come here, my sweetheart. Oh, it's a pity I can't host any engagement party.
No, that's all right. That's okay.
The last ofala has not been done.
That's okay.
I'm so sorry about
That's
this.
fine. That's absolutely fine. Thank you very much.
But we have to drink to this. As a must.
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be party after.
Yes, Mommy.
Mate! Excuse me.
Right. Mate! Mate! Where are you people? Come here!
Are you happy?
Sure.
I love you.
I love you too.
I want you.
I want you more.
That's so sweet, bro. Can I kiss you for your love?
It's okay. Stop crying. It was just an engagement. They are not properly married.
It was supposed to be mine. That engagement was supposed to be mine. The ring was supposed to be mine as well. Why? Why, Mother?
It can still be yours. Have faith. What is yours will definitely come back to you, no matter how long. If Johnson is for you, he will definitely come back.
Why me this time, Mother? Why me? Why?
It's okay.
I thought Jason loved me. What then happened?
It's okay, my daughter. You deserve nothing but the best. Put yourself together, okay?
I'm trying.
Please. Stop crying.
Mother,
It's okay.
I will not cry again. Hey, Jason. Jason.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Worry. You are my friend and I will not deceive you. If Jason is not giving you the love and attention you need, leave him and move on with your life. Leave him alone. Or did they tie your spinal cord to Jason? Eh? Besides, Philip and Izuna will be so glad if you get...
Mba, that is where you failed. Please, I do not want to hear those names again. I am still listening to you because you are my best friend. Mwaka, Jason is the only man I've known all my life. And he is the one I want to spend my life with.
Look at you. Jason is the only one. Is that why you should follow Jason all around in this village as if you're a housefly that does not have any handwork? Eh? Maureen, you better retrace your step before you regret it. Don't say I did not warn you.
I am totally disappointed. You are supposed to be encouraging and not discouraging me. I thought you were my friend.
I can see you have totally gone mad with this thing called love. Maureen! Maureen!
Eat, Mom. I'm here to celebrate your daughter. Of course I have to. I told you.
You did?
It's just a matter of time.
Honestly, Mom.
And what belongs to you will be yours. What do you want when you're king? I can't bear you. He knows what belongs to a child. When he or she's hand hurts, bring it down and the child will take what belongs to him.
Oh, Mommy, of course.
Asino chakare karo. Omyan bebe. My daughter, you will be the beginning and the end of royalty in this palace.
You can say that again.
Your marriage will be an ovation marriage.
High one. Hi.
Oh, isn't it amazing how some people celebrate their little success? Who is having the last laugh? We!
Of course, we, Mom.
Who?
We are having the last laugh!
Who is bringing up the vibes?
We!
Who is doing the wedding trouble? No. My dear, check it out.
Mama, so I called you because I wanted to tell you something very important.
It's okay. I'm all ears.
Mama, I am ready. I am ready to get married to the woman I love.
Interesting. That is good, my son. Thank God you have now decided to do the right thing. You see, I told you that Maureen is a wonderful and nice girl. She will make a good wife for you.
Mama, stop. We're not playing here. What do you mean? I'm not talking about Maureen. I'm not talking about Maureen, Mama. And you cannot force Maureen on me.
Then, count me out. I will not be a party to it.
I want to talk to you.
My princess, I'm all ear.
I want you to tell your girlfriend to stay away from my boyfriend, Jason. Jason belongs to me and me alone.
My princess, I am lost here. In a nutshell, please summarize your speech.
Okay. I am here for you to tell Chioma, your girlfriend, that Jason is mine. The next time I see her close to Jason, she wouldn't like what I will do to her. She should stay clear. Let her close those little dirty things in between her legs.
I'm ready to get married to the princess. And you have to come with me.
Never. Count me off.
Mama, listen to me. Tell me how much you want and I'll pay you. Ego Neki Chop, tell me. How much? And I'll pay you off. You're my mother. I need your blessings. You need to follow me to that place.
Chukwuemeka, are you trying to bribe me? It's your Dekwagema. You want to bribe your mother? Let me shock you. Chukwuemeka, you cannot buy me. And you cannot bribe me. I am too big for that. My heart is too big for that. You are asking me how much I will take, how much you will give me. How much do you have? You want to bribe your own mother?
Okay then. Mama, since you're not in support, I'll head over to my kinsmen. I'm sure they'll listen to me.
Chukwuemeka, you dare not try it. You dare not try it.
If I may ask, who is the man in question? And my languorous damsel, my epitome of beauty, my paragon of Ifanalo, can never snatch your man. I know my woman. Oh. I know what she can do. Yes.
I already know it is baseless coming to you. Talk more of reporting her to you. Birds of the same feather. Like boyfriend, like girlfriend. Excuse me.
Try it. Chukwuemeka.
Mama, please. Help me beg Jason. He is my life. He is my world. He is the air that I breathe. I can't imagine life without him. Mama, if Jason leaves me, I will have no other option but to kill myself.
No, my daughter. Don't go there. How can you threaten to take a life you cannot give? Please, don't say that again, or you make me angry. Come and sit down. Okay? Sit down. I have told you several times, no woman will ever come to this house. You know I love you. I love you so much.
Mama, I'm sorry for my choice of words. But the thing is that I cannot imagine myself living without him.
Chukwuemeka will marry you. When I look at you, I imagine my grandchildren. It's you or no other woman.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. Thank you for always standing by me. Thank you.
Tell your daughter Choma to stay off my man. She should move. Next time I see her close to Jason again, I will not hesitate to deal with her mercilessly.
Sochi, have you lost it? Are you talking to me in that manner? Me? Where are your manners, you stupid silly girl?
It is not an empty threat. I will deal with her. Jason is mine and mine alone!
Dogs that bark don't bite. Go ahead. I am watching. Do your worst.
This time, I will back. bite. Watch me do it.
Barking doors. And this one is local one. A cook. Look at her. Do you want to compare yourself with my daughter, who is classy? Now, you're not even half of her. Silly nonsense.
Hello?
Yes.
No matter what you do in the dark,
Who did that? You again?
Good afternoon, my queen.
Have I not warned you to stay off this environment?
Yes, my queen, but this is an involuntary action. I don't know what comes over me. I am sorry, my queen.
Will you shut your cursed mouth, you wretched civil servant? Now listen. Choma will never have anything to do with you. Do you get that? She will never have anything to do with an ordinary commoner like you. You are worth... Both of you are worlds apart. Did you get that?
My queen, Socrates made me to understand that any day a man falls in love, a fool is born. I love your daughter so much that I'm ready to give her the whole world without minding...
Oh, shut up! Just shut your mouth up! How dare you mention love in my presence? How dare you? Now you take that contaminated love of yours elsewhere. What do you think you have that you can give my daughter? Undiluted what? You don't talk when I'm talking. Do you get that? Now get out. The next time I see you here, I will order the guards to throw you off from the fence. Move. Get out from this. Get out from this place. Look at this idiot.
Move.
Look at this idiot.
Move it.
See, compo.
My queen.
What do you think you have?
Undiluted love. Undiluted love.
After eating like a princess, you expect her to go to your house to measure rice and things? You have to go home. Is that nonsense belt and trouser you're wearing? Like, Nick Compo. Ex-home. The next time you allow that idiot into this palace, I will have your head chopped off.
Sorry.
No matter what you're doing.
Do you know that oftentimes in life, when we put our mind towards a particular thing, there is a force that makes it only to attract, but also to cling together. Originally, we were meant to be. Sachi was only but a means to bring us together. Oh, here she comes, my darling sister. Come drink with us. Get a glass cup, come. Come with me. I don't know, I just...
What's that?
No matter what you do in the dark, if it doesn't I take it like for Jaja.
What is it? Hey, stop! Why are you dragging me?
Jason, come!
What nonsense is this? Have you gone crazy?
See, I want you to stay away from Choma and her mother. See, they are no good. They can even manipulate you. Please now.
Listen, you're not going to drag me into your family war. Choma and I, we've been friends a long time ago. She's nice and harmless.
Choma is not the girl you used to know. Please, she has changed. I don't want to lose you. It is me that you love right now, not Choma.
Really?
Yes. Please don't do this to me. Jason? Jason! Jason! Listen to me!
My son, we are very happy with you. We are very, very happy with you. You have just shown us that indeed we have an illustrious son in Ufuma Kingdom. We are proud of you.
Thank you.
We are proud of you.
Thank you. Ono, I must express my appreciation towards this kind and warm reception you're giving me. However, I intend to support the late Igwe's last ofala with a sum of 20 million naira. And as for the elders in council, if I become the next Igwe, I promise to give each and every one of you a car.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
Once again.
He's already the Igwe.
Oh no. Come to Igwe kita.
You are already the Igwe.
Hey, Agunwa. Oya balage.
Hey.
I want him. Now look at it. Look at what is happening. I want him several times, but he wouldn't listen to me. Omega. Eh? Our people say what an adult says sitting down. Even if a child climbs the tallest tree, the tallest, he or she will not say it. This is exactly what I have been avoiding. Look at it now. Your brother is very, very stubborn. He is more than stubborn.
Mama, I know. I feel so sorry for my brother. Yes, but it is better she get married. So my brother will start thinking well. But I can't see her for one name because mama. Mama.
The story is all over the village. The story is everywhere saying she snatched her sister's fiancé.
What do you expect? Mama, what do you expect? What do you expect from Princess Choma and her mother? Like mother, like daughter. Ebube's mother told us how Queen Esther lured her best friend's husband into making her the second wife. Mama, can you expect it from those family?
My daughter, this story is too long. It's too long. Eh? See, let me tell you something. Queen Esther and the Queen Amarachi used to be best of friends. They were so close.
Best friends?
I'm telling you. But after Queen Esther lured the king into getting married to her, that was when their problem began. Mama, I'm telling you. Hey! God forbid. I knew it. So this is the kind of person my brother wants to settle down with. Mama? Brother, somebody now. So you have to carry me. Hey! Somebody, my son, I don't know what is wrong with you.
I'm glad you were able to make it, so we can talk.
Why are you doing this to me? Is my love not enough? How could you do this to me, Jason? How? Is it because I am not exposed?
Listen, I believe we're no longer children. I called you so we could sort things out like adults. So tell me, are you ready to talk?
Why do I love a man like you so much? Why do my heart choose a heartless man like you? If only I had listened to advices from friends and family.
The truth is I don't have time for this. Okay? Because I am a good man, I have decided to compensate you.
Jason, compensate me?
I have an open check for you. It's enough to get you started and keep you busy. Please stay away from me. Have a good life.
She told me that she saw you entering Jesse's compound. What happened? Eh?
Jason is getting married!
What?
Jason has left me!
He's getting married? To who? To who? Talk to me now. Talk to me. Eh?
Princess Chioma. Jason.
Princess Chioma. Hey! Mama did not.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I am so good.
Come on.
Marrying Jason was the best option, I must tell you.
You don't need to thank me.
Why?
I've not done anything extraordinary. I only secured my daughter's future.
But still, thank you.
Remember what Ajana said. You must apply the ointment once a week and make sure you hug your husband unfairly.
Mom, you keep singing this as a song. I've heard.
Good. Always be careful and stick to the rules.
I will. I will.
Look at you. Looking so fresh.
I know, right? You know what?
What?
I cannot wait to start having my own children.
Oh my word.
And I want a girl first.
No, I need a boy first.
No, Mom, I want a girl.
No, I need a boy who will take over this role. I need an heir. I need a grandchild, a grandson.
Yes. Okay. But you know, I love little girls.
I love little boys. Yes. Where I can take to the salon, barb his hair, teach him the way of royalty.
Okay.
Yes.
You win.
Always. Always. I'm happy for you, my dear. And I love you too, daughter.
Amanda, I am not fine. Please, can you come to the palace? Yes, as soon as possible. Okay, I'm expecting you.
Hey.
Oh.
Now, I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody help me, help me.
Samadna, you are here eating corn. Oga, they wait for you in office. Let's go now.
Wait, no worry. Why don't na me they come on? They Chris. Come on, go out. They come.
Let's go, Mr. Man.
Come on, get out of here. And man, I they come. Tell Oga side they come. They command me like say I be Oga. They Chris. Come on, they go out. They come, Mr. Man.
It's okay, please. Please, my baby, stop crying. Please.
Mother, it's supposed to be my marriage day. I'm supposed to be the one getting married, not Choma. I'm
still marveled. Like, I am still marveled on how Jason could leave you for Chioma. I can't believe that I, Amarachi, will be swimming in an ocean, yet soapy particles entered my eyes. But don't worry, my daughter. Sochi, you deserve the best. If he is not for you, that means he is not the best. Yes.
Mother, how did I offend? What did I do to Chioma? To make her snatch my man? I feel like I am already dead.
No.
Mother, just allow me to die.
No, my daughter, don't say that.
Mother, just tell me I've been sleeping, dreaming, so I could wake up in the morning, find myself in the arms of Jason again. But I just want to see myself in his arms, holding me, getting married to me. Mother, Jason is mine and Chioma is taking him away from me. But I want to kill myself.
No, my daughter.
I want to kill myself.
No. Sochi, don't say that. They don't deserve it. Please, I want you to get up and move on with your life. Sochi, it's okay, please.
Okay.
My daughter, you are my only pride. What do you want me to do? Kill myself? Sochi? Please, my daughter, it's okay. Put yourself together.
Just help me, Mother.
It's okay. Please.
I might die.
No, you'll not die.
Just help me. I'm losing it, Mother.
No.
Just help me.
No. Sochi.
I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody help me.
Good day. Oh, Samantha, how are you? Fine, sir. Oh, just excuse me. Samantha, how are you? I'm fine, sir. Oh, you may think I've forgotten. I don't forget favor so easily. Especially the one you did to me.
Sir, I was only doing my job. It could be anybody.
It may seem easy to you, but it means a lot to me. I was told that you are offered 100 million naira, and this is what they call reality. And I would like to work with a man like you. I hope you heard about the new appointment.
Yes, sir. I heard of it, sir. It's a well-deserved appointment, sir. Congratulations, sir.
Oh, you are welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
And I would like to work with you hand to hand as Deputy Director of EFCC. This is your appointment letter.
Sir, you mean I'll work with you?
Yes, you're going to work with me. It's good to be good and keep being good and upright.
Thank you,
the sky will be your limit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I appreciate, sir.
In one more time, make sure you resume your duty. Thank you very much, Mr.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Yes, I can tell you. I can tell you this. Thank you, God. Thank you, Father. I appreciate it. Thank you. After all this while, God, you have answered my prayers. All right. Oh my God. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
Unraveling.
Why did you two have to leave me and Sochi alone at this time? I have never felt so lonely and useless like I feel today. Sochi is in there crying and heartbroken. Yet I cannot do anything to help her. Why did you two have to leave me so sudden? So it is true. It is true that the dead are blind. They can't see. Otherwise, you could have seen how miserable and useless my life is without both of you. Oh. I will not cry again. I won't cry anymore. I have to be strong for Sochi. Obinna, is this how you treat your own mother? So you could do this to me? You left without saying a word. Obinna, you left without saying goodbye. There is nothing left to remind me of you. No memories. 10 years. 10 good years. How could you do this to me? Why? Obinna, why? Why?
Hey. Now. I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody.
Brother, I hope it's not Princess's wedding that is making you keep your face like this. Eh? Because Mama and I warned you. We warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Mbanazian. Eh? Nka kana public disgrace.
This still sounds very awkward to me. This unbelievable. Unthinkable. What did I do wrong? How did I offend Chioma? I was there for her when she needed me most. Yes. She has the guts, the infantry, the impetus, the volume that she didn't want me again. Not like I'm crippled. I'm still standing on my tentacles. Semesters to say that I am a loser. How do I explain this to my ancestors?
It's okay.
That a girl that I invested so much in abandoned me for another man, not like I'm blind or I'm disabled. I am still standing on my tentacles.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. How can she tell you that she doesn't love you when she was busy collecting your money from you? But I pray for that girl. If for that girl, it will never be well with her. Kama will soon catch up with her. Umbrella, let's go. It's okay. Everybody, let's go.
Kama, where are you?
Don't worry.
Kama, I said, where are you? Where are you? This is not supposed to happen to someone like me. For someone I spent so much on, abandoned me for another man.
Brother, I understand how you feel.
You don't understand how I feel. Nobody can understand the enormity of what I'm going through right now. My predicament now is something nobody can imagine. Only me knows my predicament. Only me knows what I'm going through. Nobody understands my predicament. Nobody understands how I feel.
Is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing.
You think I'm mad? You think I'm mad? All of you, isn't it? Really? How much did you pay them for their conscience? How much? How much did you pay for their conscience? How much? Young men, name your price. Name your price. Name it!
Esther, watch your tongue. I said, watch your tongue.
Oh?
Watch your tongue.
Oh, what?
I'm worrying about that.
You dare not. I am disappointed at all of you.